I'm hoping it's a shock. Sounds like it on the left side. I hope it's not a motor now. This is relatively smooth back road. Nothing. See, there it is. I hope that's enough for you to figure out what it is. Talk to you later.